Hi, I'm Brittany, and I'm a part of Atlas Copco's Automation Investigation Unit. We're a team of trained professionals constantly seeking the truth in what our automated solutions can do for you. Here at Atlas Copco, our application center is solving problems with turnkey automated solutions. In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of using industrial robots in tightening-centric automation. Today, I'll be going over the capabilities of the FANUC R1000 industrial robot. So let's jump into how these technologies can revolutionize your manufacturing process. First, let's talk about the speed and throughput. The FANUC R1000 operates at a higher speed compared to collaborative robots. This significantly increases productivity. With its ability to move at 3,000 millimeters per second compared to the 250 millimeters per second that a collaborative robot can safely operate, it can allow for faster cycle times and higher throughput in tightening applications. Unlike human operators, industrial robots can perform tasks continuously without the need for breaks, maximizing efficiency and output. Another benefit to consider is the greater payload and reach of the industrial robot. This robot can allow for a payload capacity of 100 kilograms, allowing it to handle larger and heavier components with ease, like a trombone tool. Its extended reach at 2,200 millimeters allows it to access hard-to-reach areas, making it perfect for complex assembly tasks requiring extensive movements. Industrial robots excel in high precision and consistency, ensuring consistent tightening torque and minimizing the risk of under or over-tightening. Their ability to seamlessly integrate with complex systems is another advantage. By utilizing industrial robots, we are able to offer customizable solutions tailored to meet your specific high torque and production requirements. Speaking of high torque, this specific robot can handle up to 600 newton meters of torque, essential for tightening applications involving large bolts. In this demo, you can see we're utilizing two of our QST tools with two custom vacuum sockets. By adding an additional spindle along with aspects like a gripper or pitch adjust, we can tighten more bolts in a shorter amount of time and accommodate more part variations. Our vacuum sockets have the ability to pick up the bolts from a fixed position, completely removing the need for an operator. With the addition of an Atlas Copco step feeder to present the bolts, the entire process is streamlined, optimizing your line to meet all production goals. We also can add a vision system to this type of application that would allow us to find the part in space. This is crucial in production environments where parts do not come into the same position consistently. One of the great benefits of partnering with Atlas Copco is our ability to provide customers with turnkey solutions utilizing all in-house technologies like our 2 and 3D vision systems, along with our mini screw feeding options. The last feature that I would like to highlight on this demo is the use of our automated control platform. Tightening-centric automation involves many technologies like screw feeding, vision systems, tools, and the robot itself. Our platform provides complete control of the entire process through an easy-to-use interface, making automation simpler and more efficient for you. Industrial robots like you see here are able to excel in tightening-centric automation due to their high speed, greater payload and reach, and high torque capabilities. These benefits make industrial robots ideal for high-volume, precision-critical tightening applications. When you partner with Atlas Copco, you get full access to our application center. This includes testing, feasibility, simulations, programming, and more. We're always looking for new challenges and applications to investigate and expand on our knowledge and capabilities. Stay tuned for more updates on our progress, and don't forget to check back in for more exciting updates in the world of tightening-centric robotics. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, have a great day.